Hello, in front of me I have SHARP Aquos Sense2 and I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. First we need to lock the screen on our phone. To do it, press the power button. Then we need to find the SD card and SIM card tray. On this device it's located on the left side, right here. I'm gonna place the phone like this so you can see it. It's here, the SIM card and SD card tray. And to open it, we need to use our fingernail. As you can see, there's this little latch right here. We can use our fingernail to pry it out, like this. Now, let's place our phone right here. It's gonna restart. I don't know why, but it does that. Let's just leave it here. And here we have our SIM card and SD card tray. We have one SIM card slot and one SD card slot. Okay, to put the SIM card on it, simply take your nano size SIM card and place it on a tray like this. It only fits one way, so don't worry, you won't mistake it. And SD card works similarly, just simply take the SD card and place it on a tray like that. Be careful though, because the cards can fall off when you're trying to insert the tray into your phone. Okay, now let's rotate our phone. Make sure that the front of the cards, the front with writings on it, is facing the screen. Then insert the cards slowly into your phone. And then slide it till the end. Now, let's wait, our phone is gonna restart again. And as you can see, the SIM card is working because we need to enter the pin for it. And let's check if SD card is working as well. And it is, because we have a notification about it right here. And that's how you insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.